Friends, hi, my community, know your fitness. Friends, most of the time I have heard a superstition about the proteins. Most of the people who are on their fitness journey, they are usually afraid of consuming protein. They believe that uh, some kind of a superfood can help them out to achieve their fitness. But this is not a fact. The fact is something different. Our body is made to consume good quantity and good quality of a food. If we are not giving the good quality of a food, then we are doing some bad things for our body. It means that our body requires the three major food components: protein, carbohydrates, and fats. And if we are not giving those important macronutrients to our body, then our body is not going to help us out to achieve any kind of a fitness level which we want in our life. So that's why it is very important for all of you. And I have seen and I have heard many of the students of mine, they usually are afraid of consume protein. So that's why I am creating this video. In this video I will be covering up that how I am covering up a case study of one of my client, that how he has overcome from the fat making machine to become a fit person in his life. And we're going to analyze with his medical report. Health, happiness, immunity, and to have great body. This is my goal for every client, for everybody.
This is how legends are made.
Hi, my name is Bhupendra and I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I'm on the mission to transform 100,000 working class people of India into happy, healthy, immune, and to have a great body. That's why I have created a course known as the 6-week challenge, which is going to help you out to achieve your fitness in 6 weeks, which is going to impact your habits, which is going to impact your workout routine, which is going to impact your diet schedule. Friends, today is very important day for all of you, because today you are going to see the live example that how one of my client has created his report after 8 weeks. My this client, he belongs to Mumbai region, and he came to me around 2 or 3 months back, and I gave him a 8-week muscle building program of mine, and I told him that this much kind of a protein he need to take. The supplements which I have mentioned him to take are the BCAAs and the creatine monohydrate. So basically, he was very much afraid of consuming the protein, and he has been trying to build his physique since long. It means that he is more than 35 years of, and he has been going into the gym for more than 15 years, and he is not getting any kind of a body or any kind of a muscles in his life. And in one of my online events, he came to with me and he joined my course, and I have given, and what he wanted me to do, that I already have analyzed that he has more fats in his body and still he want to have the muscles also. So I have analyzed and I have created a schedule and diet plan and the workout routine for him, which was including of the HIIT plus the linear periodization of the workout. It means there's a heavyweight workout plus the workout associate of the HIIT I have given to him. Plus, I have given to him the diet schedule, which is a carb cycle, that how to reduce the carb in the 8 weeks, along with the protein protein intake of the body. He is a working professional. He has a time of the 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and basically this is how he is working. So not only he is able to manage his diet while he was working, but he has shown good results also in his test report, which I'm going to share with you now. So let's have a look. So as you can see, so this is his health report, and he is a diabetic person. He has the problem of diabetes into him, and his health score is 84, which is really good. And let's see, his thyroid function is working good. He has some problems of the vitamin B12, and usually it is a problem in many of the Indians just because they are not consuming the right kind of a food. Vitamin D is the problem. Kidney function. Once again, I was giving him the most protein diet, that he was consuming the BCAA, branch chain amino acid supplements, plus he was also consuming the creatine monohydrate to build his muscles. So along with the whey protein also. So as you can see, after 8 weeks, there is no impact on the kidneys. His cholesterol level is improved. I will show you the another result also of his fat report. His cholesterol level is improved. Plus, he was having a problem of high sugar, and now he has the less triglycerides, so that's why his diabetes problem is improved. The problem is not solved yet, but his diabetes condition is improved. As you can see, it is 105. Now, as you can see, these all are his reports. So what I want to show you now is, here it is their thing. So basically, triglyceride is a major problem in diabetes. Those people who has the high triglyceride, it means that their body is making fat. So if you have the low triglyceride, it means that your body is not making any other fat, but your body is utilizing whatever fat or whatever energy you have. So as you can see, there is a major breakthrough in his triglyceride. It should be less than 150 and he has 144. So it means that his body has no high triglyceride. His diabetes is not becoming worse now. His diabetes is in control. But it means that it is not cured, but it is not damaging the body like it used to be, because he had the problem of high triglyceride. So I don't want to show his face because it doesn't seem good, but the face glow, I can see the fine shine on his face after doing my diet and my workout routine. And he's having the muscularity also. So friends, still the LDL, the bad cholesterol is still over here. It is been solving. It is basically, LDL is a kind of a cholesterol which is in the arteries which are nearby our heart. So it is a problem, but it is problem if it is more than 150, and the borderline is 130. So right now it's above than the optimal. It means that the LDL is going down. So friends, in any kind of a nutritionist or any kind of a weight loss diet, what you really need is fat loss. And that person, and this report is showing the same thing, that how good he is improving in his report. So friends, it was all about his report, as you can see over here. Now I will show you his fat percentage, which he has reduced. His weight has not been reduced, but his fat percentage has reduced. I'll show you. So here you can see in his one of his report in his gym card. Earlier he used to have the fat percentage of 25.2, and now within 8 weeks, and I also knew that what kind of a parties and what kind of a diet he was taking. He was consistently taking diet 80 to 85% or 90%. This is what I am assuming. But still he got a major breakthrough in his fat. As you can see, the whole thing is right here at the front of you. So my dear friends, those people who think that the protein can damage your kidney, you are absolutely wrong. Protein is the major macronutrient which can help you out to reduce your weight. I have seen many people who believe that some kind of a vegetable smoothie, fruit smoothie can help you out to achieve your fitness. They are also doing the same thing the way protein does. It usually reduces your carbohydrate intake and it reduces your calorie intake. But if you are consuming the protein, then you are giving goodness to your body. you're building immunity, you are building power, you are building strength into your body. And those people who doesn't have any idea and who want to reduce 5 kg in 10 days, their journey is very short. I guarantee to you that within 2 years they are again go back where they have started, because hunger is something which is very natural. That's why the dieting which we are doing and which we usually do in our life, it doesn't mean that we have been doing and always need to do the weight loss diet always, because someone has told us through videos that eating less is good or eating 70% is good. But what is your 70%, and what kind of a food you are having? Because most of the people are afraid of consuming protein. So friends, the whole report is at the front of you. Still, if you believe in some kind of a superstition, then I cannot help you on this, because what I have tried and tested on myself, what I have tried and tested on my clients, what the report of the doctors and the lab report is talking, the whole thing is at the front of you. Now you should not become the nutritionist. Let the nutritionist and dietitian do their work and enjoy your diet. And don't have any kind of a superstition just because you have heard or listened a video. Just have some kind of a full proof reports of it. This is your fitness friend Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness and be happy without any reason.